Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro, and I'll show you how to check total screen time on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and now just scroll down to the digital Wellbeing and parental control, and now under your digital Wellbeing tools, tap to the show your data, and here as can you see we get our the total screen time today. That's 1 hour and 90 minutes, and you can see also here the applications where you just spend your time. Here if you'll tap here on the dashboard, you will see the how many hours you spend on your device every day if you just use this device previously, and also you can check all the applications where you just used and during these days, and how many minutes or hours you just spent in these applications. In my case that's more than 85, as can you see. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.